How to make and create followers celebration story for Instagram on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to canva.com and log into your account. Now go to the top here and click on create a design and search for Instagram story. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do here is scroll down like this until you find the new Instagram story. Click on see all and choose one of these templates, for example this one, and you can change everything here, for example the number of subscribers and everything you want. If you have 1 million, and everything can be changed as I said. After you finish editing, go to the top and click download. It's very easy, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.